Hello, YouTube. This is Joanne coming to you today with a special tutorial, makeup tutorial on mature skin. I'm going to show you what I do real quick. I'm going to say this real quick. Thank you for coming to my channel. I appreciate you. If you like this video, like and subscribe so you can get more videos like this and get notified when I do more surveys on a makeup tutorial for mature skin. Because we all need help at all ages. I'm going to start off by saying this is what I use. Is a Stay Matte. It's really, really good. It's from Rimmel. I just prime my face. And I use the Pro Concealer. Just put it under my eyes. And now I'm going to take my blending concealer brush. Blend it in real quick. Blend it in. Blend it in. You gotta blend it real good so to get rid of dark circles, imperfections. But then when you finish that, you gotta double up. You gotta, this is my concealer. It's horrible, but it's alright. It does its job. So, pick a color, whichever is closest to your skin type. You start off. Dab. Cover the face. I do everything. Well, I mostly do everything quick. So it could show you that you could even look good, even doing fast. It don't have to be, all slow and managed. You could do your makeup nice and still look good, even quick. And don't let people tell you that you can't put loose powder, because that's what I use. I use loose powder on my skin, and I'm over 40, so you could use it whenever you want, however you want, whatever suits you. So don't let nobody tell you cannot put translucent powder, because that helps my makeup from transferring onto my clothes and making my clothes look unattractive. So yeah, you do that. Hold on. Okay, so all right, we're finished on the concealer for the eyes. And so now I'm gonna put on my Fit Me 355 coconut. Put on the hand. That's how much I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use that much. That on your arm. And you get your Kabuki brush. Kabuki brush. Jot it. Put all over. All in the skin. Top. Put your hair back. I got a white shirt on, so I gotta be real careful till I put on the pressed powder. The translucent powder. Put all that in your face. Blend it. Be right back. I'm gonna blend it and show you how it looks. Hello, I blended it in. I hope it looks good. Blended it in. And now I'm gonna put on eyeshadow. 1 second. I'll show you how I put on my eyeshadow. Let me get my brush. Brush. Eyeshadow brush. Okay. Today I'm wearing blue, so it's a beautiful, vibrant color. So I'm going to use today. I love blue. I'm going to use blue today. Always pop, like when you put it in. Always blow it so it doesn't transfer onto your eyes. I learned that the hard way. Very soft strokes. You want to look like a mummy with makeup. A little more. I love this stuff. You don't even know. I love it. Looks nice. And then you do the other eye. Make sure it blends. I'll go out today. I look like I have some type of sense in my life. Okay. Always when you finish, always remember to use the finger and dab it. Blend it so it can look like it's part of your eyes. Put a little more over here. Could do this all day, girls. You don't even know. And tap it. Okay, so now you gotta put the eyeliner. Close the eyes. I'm not real good at this, but you know what? This is what it is. Because I have a hooded eye. Try to do it like that. Okay, so now when everything is said and done, you gotta put on your loose powder. And this is the loose powder. So you make sure you wet your blending sponge, and you go on the eye. Dab. This stops your makeup from transferring onto your clothes, your coat, your scarf. I don't use a lot, but I love this stuff. This stuff is very, very good. And it took me many years to find this. I'm telling you, my clothes used to be messed up, full of makeup. Go up into the eyeshadow part so it doesn't, so the eyeshadow could stop right there. And if you need more, use it. Don't be scared to use this stuff, because this stuff, once you blend it, it looks so freaking nice. So it looks crazy right now, but it's called, this was bacon. It's bacon in the face. Basically, it's cooking the face. That's all right. So you're looking crazy right now, but that's temporary. Believe me. Then you take your blending brush, because you got to go around to the sides of your face. And then you just go around, especially here, onto the face, so it don't leak on, it don't go on your clothes. A little bit. I don't do much up here, but mainly do here. Here is where it is happening. Like, and then all it's doing is baking. Baking your face. That's it. Simple. Sometimes I go crazy with the stuff because I really enjoy it. This makes my face look so nice. After it's finished baking, make sure you go all up in here. You're looking crazy, Joanne. You're looking crazy. But that's all right. So I'm going to let it bake for a minute. Let it bake for like not even a minute, like about 40 seconds. Be right back so I can show you how it looks after it's baked. Right later. Hello, and this is the finished product. I want you to see how I do my makeup from home. And you always gotta make your lip pop. So this is from Milani. Okay, and then you're all done, ready to go. Make sure your hair ain't sticking up in the back. Just want to thank you so much for spending time with me and my makeup tutorial. And I hope you enjoyed it. And if you like the video, like and subscribe, and you'll be the first one to get notified of my awesome, cool videos. And I'm glad you're involved. I appreciate you. Thank you for coming to my channel. With that being said, I'm going to sign out. I'm going to say thank you. I hope you learned something from my channel. Let me know. Comment on the bottom. Let me know what you did. How you like, if you like how I did my makeup. And if you have any pointers, put them on the bottom. If you have any more videos you would like for me to do, I'll do them. Let me know, and I will do them for you. So thank you for coming to my channel. Talk to you later. Love you guys. Bye.